Hey guys, good day. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch any of my video, guys, please consider to subscribe to my channel, guys. Guys, today I'm making a meatloaf, guys, and I want to share it with you. All right, guys, let's start, guys.
Baby, don't play my meatloaf.
So I have some beef here, some onion, some eggs, parsley, brown sugar, ketchup, breadcrumbs, browning, salt, and the yellow mustard. Okay, guys? All right, and then I have my powder seasoning here. Okay, and I have some vinegar here. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start now. That's good enough. Our onion, we're gonna put our parsley. I'm gonna leave some of it. We're gonna put in our season. Let me get a spoon, guys. All right, guys, so we have our garlic here. We have paprika here. And guys, they don't have to use it, but I'm using this. This is some pork season and onion powder and some black pepper. Yes, guys. So, and we have 2 eggs here. So guys, you know me, I'm gonna give you some untold, right guys? My untold on my pot. Yes guys, me gonna give you some untold, guys. Guys, me can't do without my untold. Me can't do without my untold. My husband love bounty. We use bounty, you know, but me love untold. Alright, and now we are gonna use some breadcrumbs. A good handful of breadcrumbs, guys. Tough. But guys, you don't have to mix it up with your hand, you know, guys. You can't use anything but now I'll just go in with my hand and mix it up, you know. Now I'll just go in my hand, guys, and get in the season and the flavor and everything in one. Yeah, so I'm gonna put on this about 5 or 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna put it together. Okay, so see you in 5 or 10 minutes. For me, I just mix it in, but I did not overwork it. Okay. No, sweetie, I did not call you, baby. Alright guys, look at it. It's a small one. So now I'm gonna stuck it in the oven, guys, for about 40 minutes. Alright? And 370 degrees. Alright guys, I'll get back to you shortly. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna make a little bit of sauce to throw on the top of my meatloaf. Okay, so that is some brown sugar. This is some garlic butter. Some garlic butter, guys, and brown sugar, ketchup, vinegar. For the vinegar, guys, it's about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And the ketchup is the same thing, 2 tablespoons. This, I'll put like a teaspoon on this. This is the yellow mustard. I'm gonna mix everything together with the brown sugar and everything. And put it on top. Guys, if you don't want to put any other butter, you don't have to put the butter. But me, I like to put the garlic butter in it, like nice. The garlic butter gives a nice taste. Alright, so now, guys, we just you can use something or brush. For me, I'm not brushing it, guys. I'm just gonna pour it all over it. No brush for me. Just gonna pour it all over it, guys. All over it. Alright, look at that. Look how juicy that is. Look how juicy that is. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that. That meatloaf looks so good. And guys, I know it tastes right. It tastes good. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just cut off a piece. Oh, that looks so yummy. Looks so yummy, guys. Nice, guys. It no dry. You don't want a dry meatloaf. Guys, it not dry. I want to show you. I want to take the camera, guys, and show you. This is not dry, guys. It's nice. You can see so. Look at that, guys. You can see that nice, juicy meatloaf. It's not dry, guys. I'm gonna eat some mashed potato with it. With some bacon top off the mashed potato. Oh, guys, they know me have a good dinner. Yes, guys.
Baby, just like my meatloaf.
You can't stop eating it, you know.
Baby, just like my meatloaf. Baby, just like my meatloaf.
But anyway, guys, if you watch the video, guys, and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.